Pasok mo naman. Nice spot! Far! 1 cup. 1 cup lang. Oy! Para may joke ako.
Yeah, what is it?
Ano ang tawag sa cake na may sakit?
Cake na may sakit.
Oo.
I don't know.
Cuff cake.
Yeah, it's about 1:45 to the pin. I'm gonna use my 9-iron.
Fast green, hole 15, Sherwood.
Yeah. Oh, it's with the wind, so I think might need to use a pitching wedge.
It's with the wind, ah.
With the wind.
Tapos medyo sa akin siguro 8-iron pero needs 1 bounce tapos green. Pag sa green ka nag-bounce, sobra na. Bye-bye na yun. Okay, 1 bounce. 1 bounce before the green. Tapos just roll a bit.
What's the distance?
140.
That's it.
1 bounce.
That's it. That's it.
And then top green.
That's it.
Okay,
Oh.
Huwag ka mahulog. Okay.
Not
Nahulog
bad.
ba?
Nope.
No! To Narnia! Mga 20 feet, 30. Putting for? Why are you gay?
Opo.
Hmm?
750.
7 foot, 1 cup to the right.
Pasok.
Why are you gay?
Kind of. Let's put it out.
Bogey!
Bogit.
Aiming for the right.
Saan? Nice one. Safe. 150 yards using my 6-iron again. Okay, this is not
Quiet on the set.
there. You
That's
go.
it.
Perfect.
That's it.
Boom. Generation, generation. That's just a fantasy. Oh. Hole 3, chip in the putt. There's my ball. Sayang.
For more not.
Ano nangyari?
That was a 3-putt.
3-putt. Ako bogey, pero stupid chip in. It was maka-cancel tayo pag sinabi pala natin. Erase that.
Medyo
Hassle yun. Kasi intimidating yung tawid eh.
So that was 17th and now we're in the last hole, assholes.
7 ano ka mo?
I got 3 bogeys.
Double bogey. Bogey lang ng bogey. Paano may joke ako?
Ano yung joke mo pare?
Anong tawag sa kuto na nasa kalbo?
Puto sa mga kalbo.
Oo, kuto na mga kalbo.
Ano tawag din?
Homeless.
Blackstone has everything you'll find.
Hole 18. Search party. Not even if you play me, darling, please. So naghanap lang sila ng bola. Bola ni Willie. After day. Ganda talaga ng Sherwood. 18 Sherwood. Aw, left.
Okay.
Sayang talaga record. Pasok mo naman. Nice spot. Par. 12 feet. For par. See. 1 cup. 1 cup lang. Oy! Subscribe. Tag, share, like, comment. Kung ano man yun.
If you have any comments, just
Bam!
ask.